Here's an example of what I mean when I say that the people that drew this, that worked on this, really thought this through. Because with manual drafting, there are certain pitfalls that you can find yourself getting in trouble with. And the skill of the drafter, or someone that really understands what they're doing, avoids these pitfalls. Let me show you an example. In a section view, this pipe right here may not necessarily be in this cut plane, but they draw it that way so that they don't have to draw another section. They're just showing the heights, okay? This is the out pipe right here. This is the in pipe. Let's take a look at this thing here in 3D. Here we have that drain pipe right there. Now you notice it's not perpendicular off this cut plane as shown in the section. It's over here. And it's at a angle. Okay, I just made it 30 degrees off this cut plane. Why isn't it, square on, like flipped over on this side here? Why do we want it flipped over on this side? Well, I'll show you. Because this pipe here, which is on the fuel in side, needs to connect here, okay? So you think it would just come straight out and connect right in. Why go off at an angle? It makes no sense. That is because if you carefully look at this, you will see that a straight line right across here would interfere with this pipe here. Not many people would notice that. You would notice that modeling in 3D, but they didn't have 3D back then. So they had to be very careful in understanding how this thing is laid out. Now, here's the point. Take a look at this pipe here. That's the pipe we're talking about, going into the dump tank. Notice it could have went straight through, but it didn't because it would hit this pipe. To be able to understand three-dimensional relationships in a plan view like this would be a common mistake. Draw in section here, draw a straight pipe out here, right into here. Totally forgetting that this really wasn't on this side, but on this side, and forgetting the conflict here. But the fact that they offset it, that they're coming out at an angle, they're coming over, and then they're going back in an angle just to avoid that pipe right there, which is this pipe right here, which is this pipe right here they want to avoid, to be able to get over to this drain tank right here. This tells me that the people that put these drawings together really took the time to carefully understand exactly how this is going to go together. This is not just some schematic type of line. Oh, we need to connect this to this, we'll just draw a line there, whatever. This was carefully thought out. So I think it's a course of wisdom to study everything that they did in detail.